Hey, my name is Phil from legitmarketingreviews.com, and in today's video, we're going to be looking at a legal pages and privacy policy generator tool called GetTerms. Now, in this GetTerms review, I want to show you exactly what GetTerms is, how it actually works, and by the end of this video, you should know if GetTerms is right for you. Now, just to let you know, they are currently having a lifetime deal, so if you want to get yourself an amazing deal on privacy policy pages, as well as other legal pages, make sure you check out the link in the description where you can get the best possible price. So first of all, what is GetTerms? Well, GetTerms is a legal pages generator. You can generate everything from privacy policies to cookie consents, as well as a bunch of other different documents. And to be honest, this is one of the biggest hassles I've ever had with online marketing, was having the right legal pages in place. Luckily, there are tools now like GetTerms.io, which can actually help you do this very quickly and easily, and the best part is it's very inexpensive. So what I'm actually going to do right now is jump behind the screen and show you GetTerms. Okay, so here we are on the GetTerms website. Basically, what I want to do is run through all the details of GetTerms so you know exactly what we're looking at, and then I'm going to go into actually creating some policies. Now, if you were to get the normal pricing, let's just say the lifetime deal has run out, it's still extremely well priced. There are 3 different types of packs you can get, and the first one is a basic policy, which is just a privacy policy that's quite light. It's not very in-depth, but you can use it for personal use for free. So that's absolutely amazing. Or else, if you are a blogger or someone that's got a small business and you just need something that's legal binding and looks good, then you can get the standard pack, which includes a privacy policy, terms of use, and a cookie policy for just $25. So it's absolutely incredible. And then finally, we've got the comprehensive pack, which is pretty much a more in-depth and tailored sort of experience for your website. This is perfect if you take payments, if you do other things like that, and you can get all of these policies for $49. So you get all of the policies you would need for just $49, which is incredibly cheap when you compare it to things to other types of generators online. Usually they're going to cost you upwards of $100 minimum to get these policies, and they're usually going to leave a few things out. Now, if you want to know what types of web applications or web, sort of uses that you would use these documents in, if you come to the top right and click on the little down arrow, you'll see you can use it for websites, you can use it for mobile apps, software as a services or web apps, e-commerce or blog or news site. So you are covered by a lot of different things. They are all slightly different. So it's good to know that they cover all of these types of things. Now, if I scroll down just a little bit further, just to let you know, there's the 4 policies once again. You've also got this note here which says it's written for humans, reviewed by lawyers. So it's not just a generator. There's also lawyers over checking a lot of it and keeping everything good, which is nice to see. It's covered by the US and EU common privacy laws, and it's also good for these different applications. The one thing that really sold me from to actually try this tool was all these reviews, right? There's over 1,000 reviews here and it's a 4.9 rating, which is absolutely incredible. And if you scroll to the top, I should have shown you this earlier, over 250,000 people actually use GetTerms. So it's a very, very powerful and popular tool. Now, if we scroll down just a little bit further, there is also these different versions of what we saw before. So you can do terms of service, terms and conditions, cookie policy, GDPR, all those good things. And there's a few things as well. So that's basically all I wanted to show you on this. Now, before we carry on, just keep in mind these prices. So we've got basic, free, standard, which is terms of use, privacy and cookie policy for $25, or comprehensive, which is more tailored to your business's needs. Plus you also get acceptable use policies for $49. Now, if we go to the lifetime deal, which I've also linked in the description, you will notice when we scroll down to this deal that you get the comprehensive plan, right, for $69, but this includes 3 sites and apps. Basically what this means is you can get the comprehensive package, which is normally $49 for 1 website. You can get it for 3 websites, right? So it's 3 very in-depth and tailored policies and documents for 3 different brands, basically. So it's an extremely good price. Now, just to let you know as well, there is additional tiers as well. So if you were running a lot of businesses, or maybe you wanted to run a business creating these policies, you could actually go to tier 5, which is $500, but you're going to get unlimited sites and apps, which is absolutely insane. And also at tier 4, you can get 50. So Lots of different options there. I like it when they have unlimited because basically it gives you an opportunity to create a business or something like that, or adding it into your existing business when you have unlimited, right? It's a very big game changer. So that's basically the lifetime deal. Once again, the link is in the description if you want to go ahead and check it out. But what I'm going to do right now is show you what you can expect when you actually purchase. So I've gone ahead and got a brand new account for GetTerms. As you can see, we've used 0 policies so far, and this is what you're going to see once you actually get signed up. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and create a blog or news site set of policies. So I'm going to go click on generate policy. It's going to ask me about my company. So I'm going to type in my company that's here, Legit Marketing Reviews. This is what you can expect to see when you get started. So it's all very easy to use, right? Policies can be USA. And then we come down here and we really want to tailor this privacy policy to our experience. Now, if you're on the standard package, you won't get all of these questions. This is just a comprehensive one, which the AppSumo deal actually takes care of. So what we want to do is come through and check all the boxes that are applicable to our website. So I'm going to go ahead and check the first one, logging browsing data. So if you have something like Google Analytics, you're definitely going to want to add these in. So I'm going to choose all of those. My website collects personal information. It takes in names and emails. That's basically it. This is because I have things like email newsletters, as well as I might have giveaways at some time, personal experiences, and user account registration. That's pretty much it. If we keep coming down, collect sensitive information. If I check on that, let's see what it has. This is all sort of religion and things, so my website doesn't do that. I'm going to leave it off. Third-party services, it's going to have email marketing. It's got other, you can choose in ones that you want. So let's just say I want to type in Encharge, Moosin, maybe whatever other ones you have, right? We can add them all in there if you wish. Then we can also have analytics. So we've got Google Analytics there. I think that's all I have in that particular one. Advertising, I don't have advertising. Payment processing, I have. We've got Stripe and also PayPal, and that is basically it. Now, the most important thing when creating this is actually choosing as much information as possible to suit your website. Reason being, I don't think you can go back and edit them. If you want to edit them, you have to do it manually. So just keep that in mind. I'm not 100% sure, and I think they are working on it, but for now, I would treat it as that's the case. So my website does use cookies. I do have analytics as well. If I carry on, what else do we have? It doesn't target children. It doesn't take user published content. What else? Does personal information that's shared through my website? No. If a user requested it, I can delete the account. Yes. Number of days, 30. Data footprint, I'll add that. Actually, I'll remove that. It's not accountable. And acceptable use privacy. It's okay. So that's all done. And the contact name's me. Online form. So I'll just type in my website like so. And I'm going to leave those as is, as I'm not actually part of any of those. I understand everything's good, so that's basically it. Was a little bit of work, but it only took literally a few minutes, and we've filled out all this information. So I'm going to go ahead, click generate terms, and now it's going to go ahead and start creating some terms. So what I'm going to do is pause this video and see how long it actually takes to create. Well, that was actually quick. It's gone ahead and done it. So here's my privacy policy. It was a lot faster than expected. There's the terms of use, the cookie policy, and the acceptable use. I'm blown away by this. This was literally not even 5 seconds, and we've got our entire policies. So that's basically it. I'm absolutely blown away by it. All you want to do right now is either link to policy. You could copy the entire policy to your clipboard, so when you go to your website, you can then actually paste it in, and that goes for all of these different ones. Or you can actually just copy the HTML and paste it straight into a code box. But apart from that, that's basically it. Now I've redeemed one of my comprehensive reviews for AppSumo. I can go ahead and edit 2 more if I wish, or if you're watching this and the AppSumo deal has finished, you can go ahead and get your privacy policy the same exact way. Obviously, you'll be getting it one at a time as you need it though. So that's basically it. What I'm going to do right now, jump behind the screen and just talk about a few extra things. Okay, so that was GetTerms.io. As you can see, it was less than 10 minutes and I've already gone ahead and created a terms of use policy, privacy policy, cookie consent, as well as acceptable use policy. And the best part about it, it was extremely easy to do. I literally just typed everything out right in front of you and it worked perfectly. Now this is perfect for people who don't have a lot of time or don't have a lot of resources to go ahead and get lawyers. And to be honest, this is one of the better online generators that I've seen. I know there's ones like TermsFeed, which do have so many different upsells. If you are someone who sells products online, you'll end up spending a couple of $100s just to get a couple of policies. Unlike GetTerms.io, which is actually really cheap. And once again, if you want to get an amazing deal, use the link in the description. It's going to take you to the AppSumo deal that's going on right now, where you can actually get 3 different brands worth of policies on the comprehensive plan, which means that it's more tailored to your business for just $69. And if you are a business owner or entrepreneur and you want to make some money, there's also the $499 deal, which gives you unlimited docs. So that's all pretty amazing. Overall, I'm overly stoked with GetTerms.io. Once again, links are in the description if you want to support the channel. But that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe. Lots of good deals coming out in the near future, as well as lots of bonuses in the description. That's it from me. I'll see you on the next video.